Report, Big John.
This is John Adam with DS Diving. I'm here with your boat Silver Lining. Today is August 14th, 2024. And I'm going to do a prop inspection video for you. I took a slow video and your hull cleaning video of the props. And I didn't see anything wrong with them. Any reason why it would be causing the boat to drive bumpy or incorrectly, but I'm going to go ahead and take in the second video for you. Here we go. All those props look the same and no significant dents or bends in the prop. I'll show you that other side. Alright, thank you again for choosing DS Diving.